Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our group presentation. And this is a list of the members of our group. We divide this video into 6 parts. Introduction, impact on economy and tech companies, future strategic and technological trends, strategy analysis, theoretical application, and conclusion. Today we examine the tech war, a battle beyond trade focused on technological dominance, innovation, and economic leverage. Its advertisements in technology, intellectual property, and global influence in strict, shaping the world's future. Key players, including China, the US, South Korea, and Malaysia, each contribute unique strengths to the global tech landscape. The US-China tech rivalry, marked by incidents like Huawei case and trade stuffs, is more than a financial conflict. It's a struggle defining the strategic and technological future globally. These events are not associated but are emblematic of a broader struggle for dominance in a world increasingly defined by technological capability. This rivalry shapes not only the bilateral relations between these two giants, but also the strengths and policies of other tech-centric nations around the world. In conclusion, the tech war's impact on economics and compliance is multidimensional, affecting trade domestics, altering corporate struggles, and reshaping global supply chains. From Huawei's struggles to Samsung's resilience and Malaysia's rising semiconductor industry. These case studies provide a lens through which we can understand the complex interplay of technology, politics, and economics in our interconnected world. In today's fast-changing world of technology, the future is all about being smart and creative with new tech like artificial intelligence and quantum computers. These aren't just fancy words. They are where the biggest battles in technology are happening. They are super important because they are about doing amazing things with computers, keeping data safe, and solve through problems. When we look forward the world, different countries are doing different things in these new tech areas. The USA, for example, is really pushing forward with AI and quantum computing. You use their top universities and big tech companies to stay ahead. China is also doing a lot in these areas, trying to catch up and challenge the usual leaders in tech. They are putting a lot of effort and money into this. Then there is South Korea, which is really good at electronics and communication stuff. They are trying to use their strengths to do more with AI. Malaysia is also coming up, especially in making semiconductors, which are really important parts for electronics. They are working on getting better at tech, but they are facing challenges because they are newer to this than some other countries. In conclusion, the future strategic and technological landscape presents a complex picture. Each nation's position in emerging technologies will define not only its economic prospects but also its standing in global power hierarchy. Understanding these dynamics is crucial as we witness this unprecedented technological race unfold.
In this big tech war happening around the world, the plans made by countries and big companies are really important. Governments are doing a lot of things to help their tech business grow. They give money to support new tech ideas and make strategic rules to keep ideas safe. Countries are not just watching, they are actively helping to make better tech and a good place for new ideas. For example, the USA and China are spending a lot on research in AI and quantum computing. This is not just about making new tech, it's about being leaders in tech world. South Korea is also spending a lot on research, and Malaysia is working hard to get better at making semiconductors, which are important for electrons. Big companies are also changing how they do things because of the tech war. They are spending more on research because new ideas are really valuable. They are also working together with companies from other countries, which is more than just sharing things. It's about combining what they know to be better. Companies are also changing how they work to deal with new challenges in the world, like finding new places to sell things or getting parts from different places. So this tech war is like a big chess game, where what countries and companies do is really connected. The ones that can change, come up with new ideas and work well with others will do well in this changing world. In the world of tech, it's really important to understand how different tech ideas and systems work together. Let's use easy examples to explain it. First, think about how Facebook or Alibaba get more useful the more people use them. This is called network effects. When lots of people use these websites, they become better for everyone, and they keep growing. This is like a big group where everyone's connected and helps each other. Then there is the idea of complex systems, like how a smartphone is made. Smartphones have parts from all over the world, and this makes the process complicated. If something goes wrong in one place, like a factory closing because of a sickness or new trade rules, it can cause problems for making the phones. Now about making new tech, sustaining technologies are small improvements to things we already have. For example, when Apple and Samsung make their phones as a little better every year, this keeps customers happy and keeps the companies doing well. On the other side, disruptive technologies are new ideas that may really change things, like Netflix, which moved from renting DVDs to streaming shows online. This changes how we watch TV and movies and challenges traditional TV companies. So in tech, it's all about how things connect, change, and grow. Understanding this can help us see where tech is going and how it changes our world. To wrap things up, our future in tech is all about balancing teamwork and trying to be the best. It's really important that countries and companies work together to make new and better technology, but they also want to be the top in tech. Keeping this balance right is key for a world where new tech helps everyone. Looking to the future, we expect a lot of challenges and new things in tech around the world. Countries and companies will keep facing both tough and good times in the tech race. They will keep changing and growing to be the best in tech. Even with all this competition, there's a chance for them to work together and make big changes in technology. So as we move forward, let's focus on making new things and working together. We are not just looking for one winner, but for everyone to do better together. We are aiming for a future where technology brings us together, not where it's a fight between us.